Let's face it, bro. There are no limits on what you can achieve with your life, except the limits you accept with your mind. Okay, quick story. This week sobrang busy ko dahil sa ginanap na event sa IB School. As a senior high, ako yung nag-decor and nag-drawing. And kagabi ako yung nag-volunteer sa pagluto ng main dish namin. And bro, akala ko sobrang dali. 2 hours lang ang tulog ko, 2 AM pa lang nag-start na kami. Since walang kalan, nag-uling kami. So natapos kami na 7 AM. Walang pahinga, direct kaagad sa school. Sobrang drain ko kanina. We have all limits. But when we reach that limit, that's when you know na kaya natin i-expand yung reach limit natin na nabuo. Ako ang accountable sa belief system ko. If naniniwala ka that at some point of your life, we can grow, we can expand, and we can be stretched, that's when we know na nag-grow tayo. Based sa Atomic Habits, 1% improvement is enough for your expansion this year. That's 37.7%. Because to do nothing at all is the most difficult thing